YouTube affiliate marketing gurus sometimes make it out like it's a little bit easier than it is to be a successful affiliate marketer. In this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about what I think of that. Hey, I'm Gord McKinnon, and on this channel I talk about affiliate marketing, mindset, and my journey to becoming one of the top 1% earners in the UK. Okay, so today what I want to talk about is YouTube gurus that show you how to make $1,000 in 9 sales or $500 a day. There we go, when broke. There's hundreds of these. These are just the first ones I'm looking at it from this week. I used the filter down to this week and I used affiliate marketing keyword. Now, you'll see this all over YouTube and it's fine. It is what it is. But what I kind of want to go over is that these guys probably are making this kind of money. In fact, I know a lot of them are. Like it's a big mark here, how to reach 100,000 in affiliate marketing. I mean, that's a fairly hefty claim. How to reach 100,000 in affiliate marketing. Now, I know Big Mark actually promotes the same product I do, so I can say on the back end that he has made that money. He's not lying. There's no lie there. And also there's some other people down here as well that I wanted to. Eric Ellis. So $500 per day for Eric. And again, I know that Eric's quite upfront with his earnings and he does videos showing that. So I've no doubt that he makes that kind of money. And he seems a good guy and he does some really, really good videos. I do love Eric's stuff. I'm not singling these guys out and saying what they're doing is wrong. I'm just using them as examples for you guys to try and understand when you see these big figures being thrown around that doesn't happen easily. Although a lot of them might say it's done with 1 or 2 clicks, it can be done with 1 or 2 clicks, but there's a huge amount of work gone into making it possible to do that. A bit of an analogy for that would be something like if I was to put a video up and say how to become a top earning Hollywood actor, and then what I tell you to do is join an acting school, go to acting classes, hang around actors and think you're an actor all day long, and in a few years time you will be a Hollywood superstar. You and I both know that's not going to work, or it might work for the small few people, but in general it doesn't. Now, I'm not saying that you're unable to go out and do this, because these systems do work. What I'm trying to get across is that it's incredibly difficult and there's a lot of work goes behind being able to do this. Now, I know that there's a big one at the minute with ClickBank and how easy ClickBank is. So what I'm going to do in the next few days, I'm going to be releasing a video. I'm doing a case study just to show you guys what it looks like from a newbie perspective and what kind of results you can actually expect. So what I've done is I've emailed 1,700 of my list, and I've picked a ClickBank product. I don't personally do ClickBank, so I had to just pick a one which I thought looked quite good, and I emailed them. And I'm going to show you the actual results to that. So if you want to see that, and here's a spoiler, it's not looking good. If you want to see the results of that, then hit the bell notifications so that you're aware of my next videos coming out. Anyway, I digress. Back to this. So as you can see, lots of them are promoting, saying how you can make so much money with affiliate marketing. Oh, here's another one from Eric. 1,000 a day. That's amazing. But again, guys, think logically. Do you really think that you're going to be able to make $1,000 a day within a month or so? Or even 2 months or so? It's not going to happen. You've really got to put in a lot of effort and think long term. Now, you can do this, and there's nothing to stop anybody earning $1,000 a day, and there's lots of affiliate marketers do. All I'm trying to get across to you guys is just think about it. Think about very carefully about these guys who are telling you this, and look at the size of their audience, how long they've been doing this, and kind of just use your brain a little bit. Don't just randomly buy one of these courses and hope that in the next month or so you'll make the money back to pay for the course and you can retire by doing a few clicks of a mouse. Not going to happen, guys. Not going to happen. But I know it all seems doom and gloom. I'm not trying to put that across that affiliate marketing doesn't work, because it 100% does. It's the best business you could do, in my opinion. You just have to understand that it is not one click. It is not $100, $500, $1,000 a day earnings within a month or two. It's going to take you a long time to get there. Maybe 4 months, maybe 6 months, maybe 1 year, maybe even 2 years. So long as you keep on putting in the work, though, you will get there. That is the beauty of affiliate marketing. The only thing that's going to make you fail at affiliate marketing is not doing the work. So you can pick any of these guys' courses and they'll all be pretty good, I'm sure, and you will make this kind of money, but not straight away. So do you see what I'm trying to tell you guys? I'm just trying to get you into this mindset that affiliate marketing isn't a quick fix. It's not a get rich quick. It's a proper business. It takes a long time to build up audiences, build up mailing lists, build up YouTube channels. All takes time before you're going to be seeing anywhere near this kind of money. But anyway, that's it for today. It was just a quick short one, but I hope you got a little bit of a takeaway from that on how affiliate marketing isn't the quick fix and it isn't the get rich quick scheme that so many people put out. I am going to put one last little disclaimer that all of these guys that are on here showing these, Odie, Franklin, John, they've got my utter respect. I'm subscribed to them. I love what they put out there. I am not saying that what they're putting out is wrong in any shape or form. It's true. I know some of these guys and I know the earnings are that. So it was just, they were my examples because they come up on the first, on the searches. So don't go thinking that I'm slating these guys. 100% not. It was just to tell you that affiliate marketing isn't a quick fix. Anyway, I'm doing it again. I'm doing my rambling. I'm going to close the video here. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notification button as well. We'll see you next time. Cheers. Bye.